You are once again welcome to this channel. This is Golden Tech TV. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any video that we post here. Because on this channel, we do create amazing content on how you can get cheap data bundles and all other styles of tech content. So please do well to subscribe to the channel and then click on the notification bell icon. Today we're gonna look at how we can get cheap, the cheapest ever data bundles here in Ghana for MTN and all other networks. So just follow me so that I take you through the steps that you can get this data bundles at a cheap price. Mind you, I am not related to this sites that I'm about to teach you in any way. I just buy data bundles over there and I'm trying to teach you or let you know how cheap their data bundles are so that you can also either buy it for yourself or buy it for people and then make money out of it. So you go straight to your browser and then you type in straight into your browser, then you type free com. Press on enter. Okay. So this is how you can choose to sign up here, but the best thing here is I'll like advise you to sign up to the site so that in case you buy a data package, then you don't get it, you make a report to them. So I will advise you to create an account here, but for today I'm going to go straight into it on how you can buy the data bundle. Today I'll be buying for MTN. So you click on MTN. Here you choose the data size that you want. I'll be buying 1 gigabyte and 1 gigabyte is for just 4 cedis 30 pesos. 4 cedis 30 pesos for 1 gigabyte. So you click on 1 gigabyte and then you enter your beneficiary number, the number that you'll be buying the data bundle for. You type in here. So I'll type in my number here. Then you click on buy. Now, when you're buying this data bundle for someone, please do not type the person's number here. Do not type in the person's number here because the person will be receiving messages from this website. So type in your number, your personal number here when you're buying it for someone. I'm buying it for myself right now, so I'll still type in my number. Then the billing, it's on MTN and then other. So I'll come here and then place order. So you type in the number that you're going to use for the payment, the number that you're going to use for the payment, the mobile money number, you type in here 1602082. Okay, and it's an MTN number. When it's your first time buying from this site, you're gonna receive a PIN code the pin code so that you verify it. So you click on confirm. So you're gonna receive the message for the mobile money pin, to enter your mobile money pin. So you enter your mobile money pin and then you confirm it. When you're done, it will automatically take here that you have successfully paid for it. When you don't see it being tagged here, then you type on I've completed the payment. Thank you for watching this video. This is Golden Tech TV. Please subscribe to the channel and then click on the notification bell icon so that you get all the videos that we post here. Thank you.